busy season is almost back. Get your body ready with a supercharged salad full of flavor. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to fuel up for a school day or the hustle and bustle of every day with this nutritious and energizing recipe that's so simple, it's nuts. First, grab a medium bowl and stir together 1 container of cooked quinoa and a drizzle of yogurt-based ranch dressing. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a great source of protein for vegans and vegetarians. Next, lightly stir in some Hy-Vee picked rotisserie chicken breast, a 1/4 cup of cherry tomato wedges, and 3 tablespoons of toasted Hy-Vee English walnut pieces. Walnuts are the only nut with an excellent source of the essential omega-3 ALA. For additional extra toppings, I'm adding a 1/3 cup of diced cucumber, a 1/3 cup of minced red onion, a 1/3 cup of Kalamata olives, 2 tablespoons of ranch chickpeas, and a 1/4 cup of bacon bits for extra crunch and flavor. And there you have it, the perfect salad recipe to get us all back to healthier eating habits. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.